The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series is the company's answer to Apple's iPad Pro line. The $1,199.99 Tab S9 Ultra is the largest in the trio of Tab S9 slates, with a dazzling 14.6-inch display. This massive machine comes with an S Pen stylus, a top-notch processor, lengthy battery life, and tight integration with Samsung smartphones to keep you productive on the go. While the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra costs more than the base 12.9-inch Apple iPad Pro, $1,099, and the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, $999. It's the best big tablet you can buy if you're looking for Android. That said, Android can still be a bit kludgy on tablets, though Samsung has done its best to work around the platform's limitations. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a sleek tablet that somehow fits a 14.6-inch screen into a relatively compact body. It measures 12.85 by 8.21 by 0.21 inches HWD and weighs 1.61 pounds. For comparison, the Lenovo Tab Extreme, $949, has a slightly smaller 14.5-inch screen and a slightly larger body of 12.9 by 8.3 by 0.23 inches and 1.63 pounds. If this is too much tablet for you, the mid-sized Galaxy Tab S9 Plus has a 12.4-inch screen and measures 11.23 by 7.30 by 0.22 inches and weighs 1.28 pounds. While the Tab S9 has an 11-inch screen and measures 10.01 by 6.53 by 0.23 inches and weighs 1.10 pounds. The Tab S9 family is available in two colors, beige or graphite. For the first time, the Galaxy tablet and its included S Pen stylus have a rating of IP68, meaning they're dust and waterproof. All three Tab S9 models can handle being immersed in water for up to 30 minutes and rinsed off when dirty. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 covers the screen, and while this is not the latest version, it can survive drops up to nearly 4 feet onto hard surfaces and resist scratching. The Lenovo Tab Extreme and iPad Pros do not have IP ratings, so this is a point of distinction for the Tab S9 and invites new scenarios for use poolside or at the beach. The 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display has a resolution of 2,960 by 1,848 pixels with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, a peak brightness of 930 nits, and an effective aspect ratio of 16:10. Considering the size of the display and how reflective it can be, the Tab S9 Ultra can be difficult to use outdoors in natural sunlight. Indoors, the display is bright enough to handle normal room conditions. The display also features an in-screen fingerprint sensor near the USB-C port, which worked well in testing. A notch for the two 12MP front-facing cameras interrupts one of the long edges of the tablet. One has a standard view, and the other an ultra-wide view. If you don't like the look of the notch, you can choose to hide it by placing a black bar across the top, Settings, Display, Camera cutout. However, this is not a global setting, and you must adjust your notch preference on an app-by-app basis. Generally, it's easy to ignore the notch as it rarely interferes with content. The power button and volume rocker reside on the top edge, left of the front-facing cameras, and a microSD card slot sits to their right. There are a total of 4 AKG-tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos support, with 2 grills found on each short edge of the tablet. A USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port for power and data is on one short edge as well. The other long edge features 2 indentations and 3 pogo plug connectors to attach optional accessories like a keyboard. The rear panel is mostly a massive sheet of plain metal. There's a section near the top where the included S Pen attaches and charges magnetically, along with 2 camera lenses that protrude 1 to 2 millimeters from the metal surface. Other than that, there's a camera flash, the Samsung logo, and some antenna lines. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.